everyone, this is Bharat Kumar. We are going to see 9th standard maths chapter 3 algebra exercise 3.11. Question number 1. Solve using the method of substitution. First subdivision, 2x minus 3y equal to 7, 5x plus y equal to 9. Solution, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. You consider this as equation number 1. 5x plus y equal to 9. You consider this as equation number 2. Now equation 2 becomes actually equation 2 is 5x plus y is equal to 9. Y equal to 9 minus, you transfer plus 5x to that side, it become minus 5x. So y equal to 9 minus 5x. It's clear, children? Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. So first equation is what? 2x minus 3y equal to 7. It's clear, children? Now y equal to what? 9 minus 5x. So you substitute y equal to 9 minus 5x in place of y. So 2x minus 3 into 9 minus 5x is equal to 7. So 2x minus into plus minus 3 9s are 27. Minus 2 minus plus 3 5s are 15x is equal to 7. 15 plus 2 is 17x is equal to 7. Minus 21 changes to plus 27. So 17x is equal to 7 plus 7 14, that is 34. X is equal to 34 divided by 17. 17 how many times? 2 times. So x is equal to 2. You got the value of x. Now substitute the value of x equal to 2 in equation 2. So 5x plus y equal to 9. 5 into x value is 2. Substitute the value in the place of x. So 2 plus y equal to 9. 10 plus y equal to 9. Y equal to 9 minus 10. So y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2. Y is equal to minus 1. It's clear, children? So we can see next sum. Now second subdivision, children. Solve using substitution method. Children, listen carefully. If the mentioned method, okay, substitution method means you have to use substitution method. There are substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Okay, if in the question only solve they ask, you can use any method, but particularly if they mention substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method, you have to use only that method, otherwise you won't get full mark. It's clear, children? So the question is solve using the method of substitution. So what is given? Second subdivision is 1.5x plus 0.1y equal to 6.2. 3x minus 0.4y equal to 11.2. Now take down the solution, take down the question. You consider this as equation 1.5x plus 0.1y equal to 6.2. See, children, here one decimal point is there. So you have to remove the decimal point. For that, what you are going to do is 1.5x plus 0.1y equal to 6.2. Another is 3x minus 0.4y equal to 11.2. So what I am going to do is I am going to multiply by 10 on both sides. So what do you get, children? That is, if you multiply with 10 into 1.5x plus 0.1y equal to 10 into 6.2. 10 into 3x minus 0.4y left side and right side also multiply with 10. That is multiply by 10 on both sides. It's clear, children? Now multiply 10 into 1.5, 15x you get. 10 into 0.1, that is 1y, that is equal to 10 into 6.2, that is equal to 62. It's clear, children? Same way 10 into 3, that is 30x, plus into minus, minus 10 into 0.4, that is equal to 4y, that is equal to 10 into 11.2 is equal to 112. So here common, that is you can divide it by 2. Divided by 2. So when divided by 2, what do you get? 2 how many times 15x? 2 how many times 2y? 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. That is 62. Now I consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. I am going to solve both the equation, right, using substitution method. So substitute the value. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. So 15x minus 2y is equal to 56. Actually first equation is what? 15x plus y equal to 62. Y is equal to, keep y as it is, transfer the side, 62 minus 15x. Now I am going to substitute here. So 15x minus 2 into, in the place of y, 62 minus 15x is equal to 56. So 15x minus 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, minus 124, minus 2 minus plus 2 15s are 30. 30x is equal to 56. 30 plus 15x is 45x. That is equal to 56 minus 124 changes to plus 124. So 45x is equal to 56 plus 24, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So that is 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 45. 5 9s are 45. 5 3s are 15. Balance 3, 5 6 are 30. 9, that is 36 by 9. 9 4s are 36. So x is equal to 4. It's clear, children? Now substitute the value of x equal to 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 15x plus 1y equal to 62. 15 into 4 plus y equal to 62. 4 5s are 22. 4 60. 60 plus y equal to 62. Y is equal to 62 minus 60. Y is equal to 2. It's clear, children? Therefore, the value of x equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. It's clear, children? Question number 1, third subdivision. Solve using the method of substitution. 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24 and 3x minus y equal to 20. Solution. Take down the question. 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24. 10% means 10 divided by 100 into x plus 20% means 20 by 100 into y. 20 by 100 into y equal to 24. It's clear, children? That is 0 0 get cancelled. You get x by 10 plus 0 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, y by 5 equal to 24. Now x by 10 plus taking LCM y by 5, 2 by 2 equal to 24. X plus 2y divided by 10 equal to 24. X plus 2y equal to 10 into 24, that is 240. It's clear, children? You consider this as equation number 1. And given equation, another given equation is 3x minus y is equal to 20. You consider this as equation number 2. Now substitute the value of y in 1. Here I can say equation 2 becomes that is 3x minus y equal to 20, 3x minus 20 equal to y, therefore y is equal to 3x minus 20. Now you are going to substitute the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y equal to 240. Now you are going to substitute y value as 3x minus 20, that is x plus 2 into 3x minus 20 equal to 240. X plus 2 3s are 6x, plus into minus minus 2 into 20, 40 equal to 240. X plus 6x is 7x, that is equal to 240 plus 40. 7x is equal to 280. X is equal to 280 by 7. 7, how many times? 7 4s are 28, that is x equal to 40. Substitute the value of x equal to 40 in 2. Second equation is 3x minus y equal to 20. X equal to 40, I am going to substitute. So 3 into 40 minus y equal to 20. 120, transfer this side, minus 20 equal to y. 120 minus 20 is, that is y equal to 100. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 100. It's clear, children? First question, fourth subdivision. Solve using the method of substitution. Root 2x minus root 3y equal to 1. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Solution. Root 2x minus root 3y equal to 1. You are going to make y equal to, that is root 2x plus 1, transfer the side, become minus 1. That is equal to root 3 into y. Y always should be positive, so that negative y I changes into positive y. Now root 2x minus 1 divided by y coefficient is root 3. You bring it down in denominator, that is y equal to root 2x minus 1 by root 3. Now you consider this as equation 1. Then another equation is given as root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. You consider this as equation number 2. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. That is root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. This is equation 2, right? You are going to substitute y value as y is equal to root 2 into x minus 1 by root 3. So root 3x minus root 8 into the place of y. I am going to put what? Root 2 x minus 1 by root 3 equal to 0. It's clear, children? Now you are going to take LCM, right? You divide by cross multiply. Root 3 into root 3x, root 3 into root 3x minus root 8 into root 2x minus 1 divided by root 3 equal to 0. So root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 the whole square root get cancelled, that is equal to 3. It's clear, children? Now root 3 into root 3, 3x minus root 8 into root 2x minus 1 is equal to root 3 into 0, that is equal to 0. It's clear, children? Now 3x minus root 16x, 8 into 2 16x minus root 8 equal to 0. Root 16 is 4. So 3x minus root of 4 square into x minus root 8 equal to 0, square root get cancelled. 3x minus 4x minus root 8 equal to 0. 3x minus 4x is minus 1x minus root 8 equal to 0. Here minus into minus plus, so terms become plus. So root 8 equal to x, therefore x equal to root 8. It's clear, children? Now we are going to substitute the value of x in equation 1. First equation is what? Y equal to root 2x minus 1 by root 3. So y is equal to, in the place of x you are going to substitute root 8. Root 2 into root 8 minus 1 by root 3. So y equal to root 16 minus root 2 by root 3. Root 16 is what? 4. Right? Root 2. Here 1 will be there, children. Only you are going to multiply only for this. Root 2 into 8, root 16 minus 1. Root 16 is 4. 4 minus 1 by root 3. 4 minus 1 is what? 3 by root 3. It's clear, children? Now y equal to 3 by root 3. Y is equal to 3 by root 3. Now you are going to take conjugate. That is root 3 by root 3. Y is equal to 3 into root 3. 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Root 3 the whole square root get cancelled. Y is equal to 3 root 3 by 3. 3 get cancelled. Y equal to root 3. It's clear, children? Therefore, the value of x is equal to root 8 and y is equal to root 3. It's clear, children? Question number 2. Exercise 3.11. Continuation. Raman's age is 3 times the sum of age of his 2 sons. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of the age of his 2 sons. Find the age of Raman. Actually, what is given means Raman age and his 2 sons is given. So let Raman age be x years and sum of the ages of 2 sons be y years. So this first condition, children. Raman age is 3 times the sum of the ages of 2 sons. So by the given first condition, Raman age is what? X. Raman age is what? X. Is equal to 3 times 3 times means 3 into sum of the ages of two sun. Sum of the ages of two sun is what? Y. So x is equal to 3y. It's clear, children, that you can write x minus 3y equal to 0. You consider this as equation number 1. See, children, after 5 years. So after 5 years, what happens? Actually, Raman age is x years. Okay, before 5 years, Raman age is x years. Sum of the ages of two sun is y years. So after 5 years means, so Raman age is x. After 5 years, x plus 5. So x plus 5 years. It's clear, children. Sum of the ages of how many sons? Two sons. Okay. So we consider as how many years? Y years for two sons. So I can write y. For first son I put 5 and second son as 5. That is equal to y plus 10 years. It's clear, children? It's very clear. So it's very, very important. Okay. Y plus 5 should not write y plus 10 because two sons. So y plus 10 years. By the given second condition. By the given second condition, his age will be whose age? That is Raman age. So Raman age is what? After 5 years, x plus 5. His age, Raman age will be. What is the meaning? Will means equal. Twice the sum of ages of two sun. So twice means 2 into. Twice means what? 2 into sum of the ages of two sun. After 5 years is y plus 10. It's clear, children? Now simplify. X plus 5 is equal to 2 into y. 2y plus 2 into 10, 20. It's clear, children? So x, transfer this side, minus 2y equal to 20 plus 5 transfer, that become minus 5. So x minus 2y equal to 15. You consider this as equation number 2. Now first equation is x minus 3y equal to 0, x equal to 3y. Second equation we got x minus 2y equal to 15. Equation 1 becomes x equal to 3y. Substitute the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is, so equation 2 is x minus 2y equal to 15. Now we know that x equal to 3y. The place of x put 3y minus 2y equal to 15. 3y minus 2y is y. So y is equal to 15. You got one value as y. Substitute the value of y is equal to 15 in x is equal to 3y. So x is equal to 3y. So we know that y equal to 15. So x is equal to, in the place of y, substitute 15. X is equal to 3 into 15, that is equal to 45. Therefore, Raman's age. The question is find the Raman's age. So Raman's age is what? Raman's age is equal to 45 years. It's clear, children? This is the solution for question number 2. 3. The middle digit of a number between 100 and 1000 is 0 and sum of the other digit is 13. If the digits are reversed, the number so formed exceeding the original number by 495. Find the number. Children, listen. The middle digit of the number between 100 and 1000 is 0. Okay. So I consider the number x OY. This is the middle digit. Okay. Between a number is 100 and 1000. Between 100 and 1000. It's clear. Right. Now for this, let the unit digit be Y and the 100 is digit be X. So number is what? The number is XOY, that is 100. X is 100. X plus Y. It's clear, children? By the first condition, by the given first condition, X plus Y is equal to 13. X plus Y is equal to sum of the other digit. It's given sum of the other digit is 13. So X plus Y is equal to 13. You consider this as equation number 1. If the digits, then what is given if the digits are reversed? If the digits are reversed, the digits are reversed. Okay, actually this is the number. This number are reversed means what will happen? 100Y plus X, right? So the number so formed is X is the original number by 495. So original number X means plus original number plus 495. So what is the number? Number is 100x plus if the digits are reversed, the numbers so form X is the original number, that is reversed number, reversed number is the equal to original number plus 495. So reverse number is what? 100y plus x is equal to original number is 100x plus y plus 495. It's clear, children? Now you transfer this side. Already x is there. Plus 100 become minus 100x. Already plus 100y is there. Transfer this side. Plus y become minus y. That is equal to 495. X minus 100, that is equal to minus 99x plus 100y minus y is plus 99y equal to 495. It's clear, children? Now divided by 99, that is minus x plus y, that is 99 into 5. 5 nines are 45, 9 nines are 45, 49, 495 you get. So that is 5. It's clear, children? Now I consider this as equation number 2. Now equation 2 becomes minus x plus y is equal to 5, y equal to 5 plus x. Substitute y equal to 5 plus x in equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 13, x plus in the place of y 5 plus x. So 5 plus x equal to 13, x plus x is 2x is equal to 13 plus 5 transfer to become what? Minus 5. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 5, 8. X is equal to 8 divided by 2. X is equal to 4. Substitute x equal to 4 in equation 2. Equation 2 is minus x plus y equal to 5. Substitute x equal to 4. So minus 4 plus y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 plus 4. Y is equal to 9. The question is the number. So required number, that is original number. So original number actually original number is what? 100x plus y. 100x plus y. Here x equal to 4, y equal to 9. So 100 into 4 plus 9. 100 into 4 is 400. 400 plus 9 is 409. It's clear, children? This is the number. Therefore, the number is 409. From this, we are completing exercise 3.11. Now, next class, you can see exercise 3.12. Thank you, children.